So this is the homemade telescope mount, the Sony E to the Eyepiece adapter. It's homemade, and attach the camera body, and let's put it on. Ooh, like that.
Just for reference, let us compare the Nikon F mount and the Sony E mount. As you can see, they are almost identical except for the notch that we need to cut. Since I am now using my updated Sony a6400 to shoot the photos and videos of the moon with my telescope, I need to make a cheap Sony E mount eyepiece telescope adapter. So let's make one by first converting a Nikon F mount body cap to Sony E mount. Perfect fit. Now that we have a new repurposed mirrorless body cap, let us make the eyepiece adapter. We need an empty eyepiece barrel that will fit the telescope's focuser tube. You can buy an eyepiece extension barrel if you have access to telescope or microscope supply and accessories. Or you can use the right size of plastic PVC tube that you can buy from hardware stores. In my case, I just dismantled an eyepiece from an old telescope. Then, we need to cut a hole at the center of the camera body cap in the exact diameter that will fit the eyepiece barrel. Use epoxy to seal any holes and spaces in the joints and to make the fittings sturdy as well. Let it dry for about 18 hours and make sure the band is durable and strong to handle the weight of the camera being mounted on the telescope.
A few moments later.
So this is the homemade telescope mount, a Sony E to the Eyepiece adapter, Nikon body cap converted to the Sony E mount, and there, it's neatly done. Here's my Sony A6400. We're gonna attach it now, and let's see if we can have a view of the moon tonight. There. Alright, so we're gonna attach it now to the telescope. Gotta remove the eyepiece and attach the camera body with the homemade adapter in it. Alright, there you go, it's sturdy. Alright, then let's put it on. Ooh, I like that. One thing that's good with the Sony A6400 is that it's very easy to focus. As you can see, there's the white outline there. There, it's in live view. Oh, manual. Okay, let's adjust now. There. So it's not yet focused. Let's zoom it. So let's see. There we go. And we can see now if it's focused or not. Oh. So when you see the highlight, the white highlight there, it's already focused. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's see if it's focused. Oops, sweet. There it's focused. Wow, look at that. That's nice. One more. Oh, it's so... Okay, let's bring it down to 400, and then shutter speed should be brought down. Sweet. About... Okay, there you go. When you're shooting at a slower shutter speed, set it on a timer around 10 seconds. There. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Exposure up or down. Okay. One more time. Okay, let's see. Like that. Very nice details. So there's the whole setup, as you can see. Just the reflecting telescope right there. And here's the mount in action. It's already connected. And here's the actual view of the moon. Sony a6400 on a live view. So there goes the actual APS-C sensor crop with the 2x Barlow lens attached, and let's take it to the ×2 digital zoom and focus it once more. There, look at that. Wow. Let's see. Alright. Well, let's try it again. Okay, that's nice. Let's take a video